Yeah, so we will jump inside this pot, grab the githaris. You can trust me, more than 10 girls jumping in the pot with all their energy and hands and blah 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 with the plate. Poof! Grabbing the githeri, eating. And you know what? We'll come out there with a full plate of githeri. Full one. Oh my God. I used to be one of them. At 4 p.m. you are really hungry. You took lunch, of course. You ate some githeri and potatoes. And again, you will eat supper from 5 or from 6. So when this pot comes, you fill your plate again with githeri. My God. And the fight that was in this pot. Oh my God. Mwenye alienda high school in Kenya. Trust me, kama shule yenyu you used to have that. Like sisi we used to have your pot ya githeri. Una grab, my goodness, mtu anakuja hapa na chota zake and then unaona hazitoshi, mwingine anakuja. Oh Jesus, it was strange. Like really strange. Yeah. So and then kulikuwa na story ingine. I remember school yetu, okay, my high school kwenye nilienda, kulikuanga na baridi. Baridi ilikuwa that place. We used to have our school up in a mountain. And then, you can imagine when this cold season imekam, and there was this swelling of legs, and they would turn red. I think they were turning red, and it was painful. Your story, that condition was called sausages. So I remember that thing. Okay, it was not funny, but it was kind of strange because we used to go. Okay, when that thing gets you, you have to undergo the pain. There were no medication for that, and it was really painful. And your legs would get swollen and really heat up. My goodness. Okay, I don't know. Kuna mwenye, is there anyone who has that experience here, sausages? I mean, if I remember about that thing, it was pitiful. Ile story, uko na leg warmers, and then miguu zimefura, ziko na joto, ni kama zinawaka moto. Ni kama zinawaka moto. And then there is no medicine for this. You have to undergo through that, whatever, sausage. And the name itself is just funny. I mean, strange things tumetoka mbali. That was strange. Sausages, where did that name come from? Like sausages. Ilitoka wapi hiyo jina? Funny. Yeah, and then kulikuwa na season ya another outbreak. Ilikuwa inaitwa mumps. Okay. Mwenye hakuwa na bahati shule, you used to get those mumps. Shingo inafura, you can't eat, you can't swallow, and then you have a very bad breath. So what happens, wakati mtu amepata mumps, mabeshte wako wote wanakutoroka. You don't have a friend, you don't have anyone. Unabaki solo. Like, your friends will disappear. Hapana, utanishikisha mumps, hapana mimi sitaki, unajua that, whatever. So kulikuwa na hiyo story ya umeshikwa na mumps, you have to be alone, you have to wear that scarf, you hide your whatever until upone. And not forgetting, hakukuwa na medicine. Okay, that thing was not even treated. You would just have the mumps and assume you have the mumps, and so what? You have to go to the lessons, you have to attend everywhere. Yeah, until your story ipone. That's how hard life in school was. Very strange, right? Really strange. Yeah. In our school, on Sundays tulikuanga tunapata eggs. We used to be served boiled eggs once in a week, and that was on Sundays. So the prefect was the one to collect the eggs. Alafu prefect goes, gets a big tray. There was a container for the people, for the students in the class. So anakuja anawaletea. You are in a group somewhere, you have to pick everyone eggs. So when they are almost done, when they are almost finished, and you haven't gotten one, what happens? The girls will grab the tin, it falls on the ground, watu wakuje wakanyange wengine wana grab hizo zenye zimebondeka. At least you just have a taste of an egg, and you will grab that one from the floor and imebondeka, imekanyangiliwa. And you know how this egg smell? Oh my god, it was crazy. But girls, we did that. I mean, we had to do that. Otherwise, you just go without an egg, and that's not good. Yeah. So kulikuanga pia na ile story ya weekend. Okay. Tulikuanga girls in the school. We had to have our natural hair. No, nothing in the hair. No treated hair. No whatever. Cornrows. Akuna. Everything natural. Like you can see. Like now I've braided my hair, but school it had to be braided. So yeah, ilikuwa Saturdays where people had to oil their natural hairs. Yeah, hizo afro zinameltiwa mafuta ya avocado, inapakwa. Kulikuwa na mafuta ya avocado, kulikuwa sijui Dark and Lovely, kulikuwa sijui na Paris. Alafu after mtu umepaka mafuta, you go to the field. Remember, this is a weekend. At around 1, sijua inakuanga pale katikati kabisa, pale juu imewaka. Sasa, do you know what we used to do? We had to go in the field and stay there for our oils in the air to for our oils in the hair to melt. Oh my god. So utaka hapo kwa field, mmepakana mafuta like 4-5 girls in a group, and then mmebebana mmeenda uko kwa nini kwa field, ati mafuta imelt, ati nywele ishike mafuta. My god, how stupid were we? Like, how do you even come to that idea? I mean, even if you had the hair with the oil, without that sun, it would still go inside your scalp. But we used to believe, no, you have to go direct on the sun, get that heat, it will melt, and the fat or the oils get in the scalp. Strange. Very strange. Alafu, kulikuwa pia na this one, I was doing it myself. I was a pro. So, okay, generally, I love hairdressing. I love hairdressing. So, what happened? Ilikuwa kupiga nywele pasi. Flattening the hair. You know? And you know what we used to use? This electric iron. There was the home science class. I was one of the home science students. So I would take that iron, ile ya kupiga pasi nguo, and flatten the hair. My girls, okay, the girls in the school, there were those girls who would come, oh, nataka unipige pasi, uni blow dry. That was blow drying the hair with an electric iron. Jesus Christ, that's okay. I can't believe it. I don't even want to think about something like that, but I did. But that was strange, very risky and strange. And you know, you've oiled the hair and you put this electric iron on your hair, almost in the scalp. And sometimes while you are ironing these girls, you slip your hand chak inaguza skull. My god. Oh, tumetoka mbali. God, Jesus. Okay, that was funny, really funny and strange as well. Yeah, alafu nakumbuka shule yetu. There was a time our headmistress, that our madam, akaamua tutakula nyama. And he promised there is a cow that they are going to slaughter for us. Tukule nyama, tupikiwe nyama. Girls, we have a cow and we are going to slaughter this cow and provide meat. And the meat, we are going to have this meat for a whole week because this is a full cow. And you know what? We were so happy because in boarding school you don't have nyama. Nyama is rarely found there. It's even once in a month, or I don't know, once in a week. So this time we were so happy. Oh, tutakula nyama wiki mzima, nyama supper, nyama lunch and all that. Oh, the girls were excited. Little didn't we know, this cow, hii cow ilikuwa inaenda kukufa. It was going to die simply because it was sick. And since they knew that, and they thought like, okay, this cow, before it dies, we can give the meat to, we can make use of that meat and give the meat to the girls. And guess what? They slaughtered the dead cow. The dead cow. And we were served the meat. Guten Appetit. That is strange. And while we were eating this meat, you know, you have a taste of dead meat in it. Unauma hivi kidogo unasikia, this is not fresh meat. The cow was dead. And they slaughtered this for us. Really? Really? Come on, guys. Come on. Anyway, poor girls, we ate the meat. And we are still alive. Strange things happen in school. That was really strange. Really strange. But, you know, we ate it. We ate it anyway and tulisurvive. Yeah. Alafu kulikuwa na ile story ya nini? Mnaenda visiting. No, not visiting. Yeah, visiting. Your parents are coming on visiting day, your family, your friends, your nini. And you have to look perfect. Your skirt, your shirt, everything. So, the thing is, we didn't have an iron to iron our uniform or our clothes. What we used to do, this is funny, we used to fold the skirt or the shirt, place it under our beds, under the mattress. And since you lie on there, guess what? It used to be pressed, ironed. That was ironing in quotes. That was strange, but it worked. That's how we survived. Anyway, without an iron, hakuna kupiga pasi. You don't have that pass in school, what do? That's how we used to iron our uniform. And they were really pressed. Pleats all down, lines, you know, everything was perfect, intact. Strange it was. Yeah, and then kulikuanga na ile season ya kuandikiana mabarua, kuandikiana love letters. Yes. Okay. Yeah, kulikuanga na story ya unaandika love letters. You can't concentrate in the lessons. You can't concentrate on the night preps because there's boy uliona wa, I don't know which, Nanyuki High School, I don't know, Nyahururu Boys High School, Jomo Kenyatta High School, all, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, girls in high school, yeah. Unajotleta, you write words, unaandika. My sweet potato, I can't sleep, I cannot concentrate. I love you, love you, love you. You draw this love, you paint, you, strange. It was strange. Love letters. Okay, I loved that. It was really adventurous, and the whole thing about love. You know, love in your early age, in your early 15, 16, 18, 17, huh? It was real. And the letters would come replied. There were those people who had letters every day. Yani anapata letter leo, kesho, kesho kutwa, and then people, kai, aki leo alipata letter. Kai, kwani kuna machali wangapi? Kai, aki uwe chali yake ako nini, ako mbele. Kwani una umse wako? Girls, it was strange. It was strange. And the funniest thing was, unaandika letter, you don't have stamps, you don't have money to send or to whatever, to reply. There were those stamps. Maybe umetumiwa letter, ilikuwa na stamp. Sasa before, you have to remove that black marking of the registered your muhuri ya poster. Una scrub. You scrub this with Colgate or toothbrush. Ina scrubiwa. You use the same stamp to reply to the person. Can you imagine? It was very strange. Of which the stamp was so cheap. But okay, ukipiga hesabu za pocket money, rudi upige za fare za kufika home, hata ibaki ya stamp. So you have to use that trick. Urabio stampi, wekele kwa reply. Na itafika. Unless you are very unlucky, inarudishwa nyuma, ama it goes to the person and you have to pick it in the poster and be answerable for what happened. Anyway, we survived. It was that funny. Yeah, I remember in our school, oh Jesus Christ, kulikuanga na ile season yaku. Okay, season ya baridi, matope, mvua, everything was muddy. Matope red, you know how it is. Wow. Alafu, unajua kuna duties. You have to clean the floors on your own. You have to clean them everywhere on your own. Alafu sasa kuna ule mwenye amepewa duty ya corridor, main corridor ya high school. Penye everybody will pass, everybody. And then there was this, you have that duty, you have to clean that floor. Can you imagine? Iyo floor utaipanguza, watu wapite, upanguze tena, wapite tena, matope. Yani una squeeze rag, matope, maji ni red. Hata floor haipanguziki, ni matope. Makucha ziko red, mikono ziko red, and people will still come and then come back. Alafu teacher, maybe you've even finished, umemaliza kupanguza hiyo corridor, umemaliza, alafu imechafuka tena juu watu walienda parade, wamepitia huko na matope zao zote, imechafuka. Do you know what? The teacher on duty atakuja class. Who has the duty to clean the corridor? Can I see you outside? Imagine unaitwa nje. And what happens? You have to redo. Upanguze tena, lazima upitishe rag again mpaka ingare. Jesus Christ, tumetoka mbali. That was very bad. I mean, terrible. Alafu matope, maji sayo, maji hata ni kupima unapima, let's say unapima maji, alafu rag yenyewe hata, oh my god, the floor itself hata it's completely it was strange. Kama ulikuanga na duty ya clean corridor, I pity you. Pole sana my dear, lakini you survived anyway. Yeah, alafu kulikuwa na yeah, I can remember. In our school tulikuanga na parade, assembly. Alafu I remember our high school headmistress alikuwa anapenda golden bells. Not okay, we had to have it. The golden bell was a must. So sometimes they wanafanya check up kwa assembly mwenye hana golden bells. Sasa wenye walikuanga wamebarikiwa na golden bells, unajua not everybody affords to buy the books na nini. Sasa mtu alikuwa unararua golden bells kama unararulia watu 3 ama 4. Yani golden bells imeraruliwa mara 3. Ndio ukienda ile check up, unajua unaonesha tu kapisi. Unaifanya hivi. Kama umeraruliwa ya katikati, wewe utaifanya tu hivi. Teacher aone, sema okay, pass. Sasa hiyo una golden bells, ni mtu amekurarulia, amerarua pages kadhaa hivi akakupatia ndio uoneshane. Guy, shida ni mbaya. Yeah, we went through all that and it was strange. It was strange, it was pitiful, it was just funny. Some things were funny and we had to sing. I remember our headmistress alipenda ile song ya Blessed Assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a first day of glory. Your song, and we had to sing this every day. Akikuja assembly ni the same song anaimba. It was funny, really funny and very strange, but we made it. So I think that's the end of my video today, and I hope it was everything. If you still have some ideas, some comments, some things you also experienced, strange things of course, and funny things, and adventurous things of course, drop your comments down there and like this video and share it. Have a nice evening. Bye, and thanks for watching. Till another time. Bye.